In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show extended hours trading view. If you've ever wondered how to see pre-market and after-hours price action on your charts, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. And I'll add a few helpful tips along the way so everything makes sense. First, open a chart on TradingView. You can use any symbol you like. Stocks are the most common for extended sessions, and I recommend picking an intraday time frame, like the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. Extended hours data shows up outside the regular market session, so shorter time frames make the difference much easier to spot. Next, open your chart settings. You can do this by clicking the gear icon at the top right of the chart, labeled Chart Settings. If you prefer, you can also right-click anywhere on the chart and select Settings from the menu. Both paths lead to the same settings window. Inside the settings window, go to the Symbol tab. This is where TradingView controls symbol-specific display options, including which market session your chart uses. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct tab before moving on. Now, look for the section called Session. This is where you tell TradingView which hours to display. By default, most charts show only the regular trading session. To include pre-market and after hours, select Extended Trading Hours. This expands the visible session to include trading activity before the opening bell and after the close when available for that instrument. Once you've selected Extended Trading Hours, click OK to apply your changes. Your chart will refresh, and you should see additional candles that extend beyond the standard session. Depending on your chart style and theme, you might notice subtle shading differences or lighter volume during these periods, which is normal because liquidity can be thinner outside regular hours. If you don't notice a change, there are a couple of quick checks. Make sure you're on an intraday time frame, since daily charts typically aggregate the entire day and may not display extended trading distinctly. Also note that not every symbol or exchange provides extended hours data, and access can vary based on your plan and data subscriptions. That's all there is to it. You opened a chart, went into chart settings, navigated to the symbol tab, found the session option, selected extended trading hours, and clicked OK. From here, you can keep it on to monitor earnings reactions, overnight news, and gap setups, or return to the same setting anytime to switch back to the regular session view. Happy charting!